Lesson 42 is another oral reading. Dear Richard, I have been trying to reach you at your 5th Street office for the last 10 days, but I have not been able to get you. Period. Apparently, you have been on the road. Period. Therefore, I am writing you this note to ask if you could do me a favor. Paragraph. 2 of my old friends are going to visit me from July 18 to July 25. Period. While they are here, they would like to see the Mets play the Cardinals on the afternoon of July 19. Period. I tried to get tickets, but I could not get them. Period. They told me that all tickets for that game had been sold since June 15. Paragraph. I thought that with your influence, you might be able to get tickets from my friends, even if they are in the center field bleachers! Exclamation mark. Paragraph. I know you will do your best for me. Period. Sincerely yours.